Good morning. Olympia Conference Centre, Rob Porter speaking.
Good morning. This is Terry McLaren of Grey Green Coaches. I'd like to speak to Mrs. Healy, please.
I'm afraid she's not in today. Could I take a message?
Yes, please let her know that the coach she hired for the 10th of March has a capacity of 45 persons. She wanted me to confirm this with her.
All right, sir. I think I've got that. The bus for the 10th of March seats 45 persons. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
And what was your name again, sir?
Terry McLaren.
Could you spell that for me, please?
Yes, that's capital M, small c, capital L, A-R-E-N.
Right, Mr. McLaren. I'll give her the message first thing tomorrow.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.